So, today we're gonna have a look at a shower head. So let's see what we have here. You see all this crud on there? Okay, we're gonna see how we get rid of this. How do we fix this? This is like an expensive shower head and look at all the stuff in there. So we're gonna remove that. And we just have to unscrew it here. Now this is a nice chrome, and if you don't want to damage it, I'm going to use an old dog leash, leather leash, to put over it, like so. And then I can use my pliers here to unscrew it. And then we're going to treat it. So let's look at this particular one here. You can just unscrew it here, like this. And then the plastic piece here breaks open, and then whatever is in here in between will clean out on its own. So if it's like clogged or something, right? But that doesn't help you with the strainer here. So this strainer has to be cleaned in order to get more water through it. Even you can open those little holes here. So this strainer you either need to clean or replace, right? So we're going to try to clean this, and you see how little water can go through here. You see, like there's a lot of holes not used. That one. Here, this one here. There's a beautiful wire here, there. You can also clean a lot. Either replace, if you can find the parts like this, or we clean it. And then we look inside here. That is not too bad. I'm going to try with vinegar, a vinegar bath. Right? You can see on this side, there. Also a little bit. Just vinegar should do it. So this would be how you would do it regularly in there and let it soak for a long time. But we take this stuff and put it in the ultrasound piece and see how that goes. So it's like 10 minutes in there. 10 minutes. It's a long time, and we can take it out like this if we wanted to. Like this, and then we see already that it's like a very good cleaning effect here. So first of all, we have this here, the strainer, as you can see, is top notch clean. There's no question about it. I put this on the paper towel for it to dry. And then we have here this wheel, and there you can see also this is top clean compared to before, right? There's almost no need to use the toothbrush here to do anything to it. Maybe here a little bit. Let's see this here. The ring here changed colors, right? It's fine, but this is not a problem that it changed colors. We just see how clean it is in here. Super clean. So that goes out to the side. Now we do have this here, right? Let's see if the toothbrush can do more. Want to give it a little more here? We can put it in here like this. And run this again. should run now. We give it some more time. Now I can't close it anymore with the lid. So now if we look at the end result compared to before, it looks a whole lot better. We're going to screw that back on and then we're good to go. So now we are flowing good again.